Hi and welcome back. I'm Carol Fraser, a plant-based nutritionist and naturopathic guide. And today we're diving into some of the best natural herbs for deep sleep and relaxation. Before we begin, a quick reminder. I'm working on wholesale for all where you can buy organic and wildcrafted high quality herbs and holistic products at cost price. If this interests you, drop a comment or email me at hello@naturalworkshops.com for details. Now let's explore how St. John's Wort and Vervain can help you sleep better, ease stress, and wake up feeling refreshed. So why use herbs for sleep? Well, many people struggle with insomnia, restlessness, or waking up exhausted. Instead of turning to synthetic sleep aids, herbs like St. John's Wort and Vervain provide a natural, non-addictive way to relax the nervous system and support restful sleep. Did you know St. John's Wort boosts serotonin levels, supporting mood and sleep cycle regulation, whilst Vervain has been traditionally used for restlessness, nervous tension, and stress-related insomnia. Studies suggest St. John's Wort can ease melatonin production, aiding in deeper sleep. And here's how to use these herbs for sleep. Steep 1 teaspoon of St. John's Wort and 1 teaspoon of Vervain in 1 cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink 30 minutes before bed. Now there are cautions and who should avoid these herbs. St. John's Wort interacts with many medications including antidepressants, birth control and blood thinners, so it's important to consult your doctor before use. And avoid Vervain if pregnant or breastfeeding. To get high quality organic and wildcrafted herbs, you can get St. John's Wort and Vervain by visiting naturalworkshops.com and get 50% off your first purchase. So thank you for watching and tuning into this episode of Herbs 101, highlighting herbs for deep sleep and relaxation. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more weekly updates on herbs for your ultimate well-being. But let's keep the conversation going. Share your experience using any of these herbs in the comments below and tune into the next episode. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.